How to import a list in system.io. So this is a quick tutorial in which I am going to show you that how you can import a contact list uh, into your system.io account. So the list that you have downloaded from any other CRM, from any of other email marketing tool, maybe you were using ConvertKit, maybe you were using MailChimp or any other platform, email marketing platform, and now you are switching or now you want to like import those contacts uh, into this particular like system.io account. Let's understand how to do it. Okay, so first of all, you need that actual Excel file where like you have all the people, all the list of the people, right? Have this list ready with you in your system. Then what we will do, we will just click this option, contacts, into you will be on this screen. Here you will see this option, import contacts. So let's just click that button. Now you will be on this screen. So in this screen we have to do a couple of things. The first thing is that you have to like select this option, comma, semicolon, pipe. So because you have like list, if you have downloaded it from any of the places, generally it will be in the comma separated form. So it will be CSV delimiter. Delimiter will be comma, so it will be CSV format. So you will select comma, and and then what we will do, we'll click this option, and here it will let us choose the list. So let's suppose I want to import this list, coaching guide list. Let's select the list, the whatever maybe the list you have, and then just click open. Now that we have selected the list and we have selected the right option, comma. Now what we will do, we will scroll down and we will uh, add the tag. So you may leave this step, but I will recommend that you should add a tag to the people, to the list that you are importing. So for that, first thing you can do, if you already have a tag created, you can search it here. Or if you don't, like in this account, this is a dummy account that I don't have any of the tag here right now. So what I will do, I will create a tag here, click this option, and then just name the tag. Suppose I want to like name it uh, test list. Okay, whatever may be the list you want to do, say, and then save it. Now as you can see, the tag is created. Now select the tag, and now what will happen, when this list is imported, the tag will automatically added. uh, and then there is a third option, that is campaign. So if you want to like uh, uh, enroll these people into a campaign, right? You can select the campaign here. You will see the list of campaign. Right now there is no campaign inside my this system.ai account, so I will be not I'm not able to see. But if you have this campaigns created here, right, we have this option of campaigns. If you have created any campaign, it will be shown here, and you will select the campaign also. So now we have selected all the options, and I have explained you like what options you have here in this screen. Now the thing that you have to do is you have to like click next button, and then you have to do the mapping. So here in this column you will see that this is the column of emails. So just click this drop down and select email. Now this mapping is already done, like it's a first name and it's mapped. If you will have any other column in your CSV, here for example it's a last name, or it could be the phone number, it could be a country, you can select that. But right now in my CSV there is nothing here, so I can just leave it and click this option, import, and we are done. Okay, in just few minutes the list, the contacts will be imported. So let's just check that we got the emails, we got the list or not. So click this option again, go to this tab of contacts. Here you will see there is nothing right now. Let's just refresh and see if they are imported. So it's refreshing. Let's wait for a minute and see if the people, if we got the list here or not. And bingo, we got this, right? 40 contacts. Now the list is imported. So this is how you will do it. This is how you will import. And let's just check the tag also. Okay, so let's just cancel this option, go to this option of tags and see if the tag is added or not. So as you can see, the tag is created and also it's added to this particular list of people, right? So this is how you will add, or you will like import the list into your system.io account, and you will add the tag. So I hope that you got the clarity and now you know that how to do it. I have tons of videos on my channel related to system.io. Just watch them. Also, you will be watching the card on the screen. You can tap it and watch the videos. uh, and also, I if you want to like get any of the premium plan, if you are planning to upgrade to your plan, or if you are planning to switch from a free system.io account to paid system.io account, I have a exclusive community for people who are like upgrading with my affiliate link. So you can check all the details in the description. I have the complete details in a landing page, and at the same time also all the links of the all the plans are also there. So go check out the details, and also watch more videos related to system.io on my channel. So that's all. Go and watch them right now. Thank you.